Photoshop is the industry standard for photo editing, but not everyone wants to pay for it. Fortunately, there are powerful free alternatives that offer great features for photographers, designers, and digital artists. In this video, we'll compare Photoshop with Darktable, Krita, RawTherapee, and Photopea to help you choose the best option. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Photoshop. It's the go-to software for professional photo editing, graphic design, and digital art. With features like layer-based editing, AI-powered selections, and advanced retouching tools, Photoshop is incredibly powerful. But, there's a catch. Photoshop requires a paid subscription, making it less accessible for casual users. It also demands high system performance, which might not work well on older computers. So, if you're looking for a free alternative, here are some great options. If you're a photographer working with raw images, Darktable is an excellent alternative. Like Adobe Lightroom, Darktable allows you to edit photos non-destructively, meaning your original image remains untouched. It offers professional-grade color correction, exposure adjustments, and lens corrections, all for free. However, Darktable has a steep learning curve, so beginners might find it challenging at first. But if you need a powerful raw photo editor, Darktable is a solid. Next, we have Krita, a fantastic free software designed for digital artists and illustrators. Unlike Photoshop, which focuses on photo editing, Krita is built specifically for drawing and painting. It offers an advanced brush engine, customizable tools, and a smooth workflow for creating concept art, comics, and animations. The downside? Krita isn't ideal for detailed photo manipulation or graphic design. But if you're into digital painting, Krita is one of the best free tools available. RawTherapee is another free raw photo editor, similar to Darktable but with even more customization options. It provides deep control over exposure, color grading, noise reduction, and sharpening, making it a favorite among professional photographers. However, RawTherapee has a complex interface, which might be overwhelming for beginners. If you need precise raw image adjustments, RawTherapee is a great tool. Photopea is a browser-based alternative to Photoshop. No installation is required, just open your web browser and start editing. It supports PSD files, meaning you can open and edit Photoshop projects directly in Photopea. While it doesn't have all the advanced features of Photoshop, it's a great option for quick edits, graphic design, and simple photo manipulations. The only drawback? Since it's web-based, performance depends on your internet speed. If you need a free Photoshop alternative on the go, Photopea is an excellent choice. So, which software is right for you? Here's a quick summary. If you need professional photo editing and don't mind paying, Photoshop is the best choice. If you're a photographer looking for a free raw editor, Darktable or RawTherapee are great options. If you're a digital artist, Krita is the way to go. If you need a free Photoshop alternative in your browser, Photopea is perfect. Each software has its strengths, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Which software do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more software comparisons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.